everybody, Jake and Brenda here, our sweet adventures.
Hello.
Today we're
going to make pretzel bunnies and pretzel spring flowers.
Okay.
Let's get busy. All right, here we go. So we've got pretzels, mini pretzels, M&Ms, of course, the pastel colors for the bunnies. Got this laid out already, the mini pretzels, and then we have the chocolate. Ooh, yeah. So we're going to begin, and I'm going to do a few of them, show you how it's going to look, and here we go. I'm going to just do like about 3 of them. And this does set up fast. And I might be getting a little bit too much of the chocolate. But, and isn't it funny how you start doing something and then you do it differently? And you think, oh, I wish I would have started that way. So here we go with the bunny ears. Well, he should have been a little bit like that more. Let's see if we can fix him. There we go. So there's his little ears, and here's his little nose. So I'll go ahead and finish these up and get the different colors in there, and then we'll show you when they're complete. Okay, I have made several of them. And these first 3 rows are the first ones I did. I'd showed you a couple before, but the last 2 on the bottom, the pink and the purple ones, I did it differently, and I like that way more. And I will continue to do those in that manner, which was I took one M&M and cut it in half for the ears, and it worked so much better than trying to make these, you know, stand up like that, because as you can see, it didn't work so well on a few of them. So now we're going to switch over to the flowers, spring flowers we're going to make. Okay, now I'm going to do the spring flowers. So once again, we're going to have the melted chocolate. And you know, if I'm going to invest in one of those little now I don't even know what to call them, where you can squirt, like you can decorate cakes and muffins and or whatever in there, because that would be a whole lot easier than doing it how I'm doing it. So we're just going to put the petals on like this. You kind of want to tip them. And we're using jelly beans. Thought this would be fun for springtime, and then we're going to put an M&M in the middle. Just like that. Kind of delicately put that in there. So we'll try one more here. These are turning out a little bit better than what the bunnies did. Although this is all new to me, never done this before. No excuse, right? But anyway, it's always fun. So we're going to use these now. Cut them, like I said, in half. Kind of learned that from the other video. And it's so festive. You know, you can use this at Easter time or any other time, making different occasions. We'll put that little blue one right in the middle. And there we go. I think those turned out a little bit better than my bunnies did, so I'll show you once I'm all done making them.
Okay.
Well,
she's got them made here.
Yes.
Check them out.
So as you'll see, you know, like I said before, as time goes on and you start putting them together, they do always get better. Like for instance, this little flower one is probably the best of that. I would say the bunnies, I think these two are probably the best there, but it is very time consuming, and kids will like them. You know, if you were going to go to a party or something, it'd be good and fun to do.
Yeah. I believe I'm gonna taste one.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
There you go. Actually, it's interesting because these jelly beans. So I'll do a jelly bean one. The jelly bean ones, I think will be different because the bunny ones are just M&Ms, where we got M&Ms and jelly beans together. So
Yeah. That's pretty good. Like I say,
Yep.
kids are gonna like them for sure. So, okay.
well,
Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Tell us where you're watching from too. It's always interesting. So, yeah. So, I guess till next time. See you later.
bye.